Hi my friends, today's video we're going to be unboxing and setting up this basketball hoop. Okay, it doesn't really look that hard to set up. You got some poles, you have your bottom piece, you have your hoop backboard. Okay, this is it while we're done. We still need to put the net on. Everything is on. This is at the highest position. So at the highest position, it definitely goes high. I think it's 10 feet, 8 to 10 feet, and then you can lower it. So if we take a look on the back here, you see all these holes? You can lower it the whole way down by taking the two side bolts out and then just lowering it down and putting it in. Okay, we lowered it a little bit. We got the net on. The red goes at the top, the blue will be facing the bottom. So the blue faces the bottom, red at the top. All right, now that we made a massive mess with everything, we're gonna put some weights in the front of this and then we're gonna try this out. I actually do realize something. I think I put it on backwards. Now that I was so busy installing it. So you can see the bottom piece comes facing me. I think that's supposed to face outward. But there's a simple solution to that. So if you do the same issue like me, let me show you guys a solution to save. So all you have to do, take these two bolts out and just turn the whole basketball hoop, because having it like this, when the ball comes down, it hits this and then it goes rolling off to the side. So just to show you guys how easy that was, watch this. Like, they make this really easy even if you mess up. So now we just go ahead and put those two bolts back in. All right, so let's try this again now that we got it set up better. I eventually want to redo this whole back porch, probably clean this up, get rid of this canopy and stuff to make just a bigger area. Needless to say, this is awesome. I love it. It's gonna be a big benefit for me for getting cardio, because I love sports, and what's better than a basketball hoop?